bread that somehow survived. This is commentary from James Brown. 5,000 years ago, someone in central Turkey baked a piece of bread and buried it beneath the floor of their home. Maybe it was an offering, but my guess, it was more likely forgotten with the rush of everyday life. That same bread, charred and misshapen, but still intact, was uncovered last year by archaeologists. It's now on display in a museum. And across town today, a bakery that recreated the recipe can't keep it on the shelves, selling out daily. Because classics are classics for a reason. Think about that. A simple loaf made long before most tools of modern life is now drawing crowds. We don't know the name of the baker, but we should tell them thank you, or at least the shopkeeper should. We often treat history like it's sealed off. But as William Faulkner said, the past is never dead. It's not even past. I think our history is a lot like that. And that piece of bread, it survives fire, earth, in time, in neglect, and still finds a way to teach us. It's proof that we're not so different from those who came before us long, long ago. So what do you think? What are you making now that might outlast you? Let me know in the comments and support my work at jamesbrowntv.substack.com. On that note, I'm James Brown, and as always, be well.